Here are a few extra addition and subtraction word problems for you to solve. In these videos I'll be using the column methods to solve these, but you can use whichever method works better for you. First one. Miss Smith has 112 pencils in her desk. She buys a box of 116 pencils. How many pencils does she have now? Remember to use the rucksack acronym. We've read the question, we need to understand what it's asking us to do. She has 112 pencils in her desk and she buys another box of 116. So this is an adding question. 112 add 116, and we're going to use the column method to solve this one. 2 and 6 is 8, 1 and 1 is 2, and 1 and 1 is 2. How many pencils does she have now? She has 228 pencils. Here's one for you to try. Michael has 250 football stickers. He buys another 180 stickers. How many stickers does he have now? Remember to use the rucksack acronym to help you remember what to do. Pause the video, have a go. We've read the question, we need to understand what it's asking us to do. He has 250 football stickers already. He buys another 180. The clue is in the word another, and this is an addition problem. 250 add 180, and we're going to use the column method to solve this. 0 and 0 is 0, 5 and 8 is 13, put in the 3, carry the 1, 2 and 1 is 3, add the 1 we carried, that's 4. How many stickers does he have now? He has 430 stickers. This time Miss Smith has 280 pencils in her desk. She gives 29 pencils to pupils in the class. How many pencils does she have now? What's this question asking us to do? She has 280 pencils. She gives 29 pencils. The clue here is in the fact that she gives some to someone else. Very often in subtraction problems we look for how many does she have left. You'll notice that isn't in this problem, so you do have to be very careful to understand what it's asking you to do. This is a subtraction problem. 280 subtract 29, and again we're going to use a column method for this. 0 take away 9 we can't do, so we take 1 from the tens column. That 8 tens now becomes 7 tens, and that 0 becomes 10. 10 take away 9 is 1, 7 take away 2 is 5, and then we're not taking anything away from the 200, so that stays as 200. How many pencils does she have now? She has 251 pencils. Here's a similar one for you to try. Mr. Smith picks 360 apples from his tree. He gives 175 apples to his neighbour. How many apples does Mr. Smith have now? Remember to use the rucksack acronym to help you solve this. Pause the video, have a go. We read the question. He has 360 apples on his tree. He gives 175. Here again the clue is that he gives some to someone else. And this is a subtraction problem. 360 take away 175. I'm going to use the column method. 360 minus 175. 0 take away 5 we can't do, so we need to take 1 from the tens column. That 6 tens now becomes 5 tens, and that 0 becomes 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. In the tens column we have 5 take away 7, which we can't do, so we need to take 1 from the hundreds column. That 300 becomes 200. The 5 tens now becomes 15 tens. 15 take away 7 is 8, And then in the hundreds column, 2 take away 1 is 1. How many apples does Mr. Smith have now? He has 185 apples.